Horizon 2059, do you want to stay on this heading, or I can get you set up for a downwind?
Hey, set us for downwind to be at 2059.
Horizon at 2059, Roger, turn right at 050.
050 for 2059.
Horizon at 2059, when able, if you could let me know the threat level.
Okay, I'll just give you a heads up. We've got the guy that tried to shut the engines down out of the cockpit, and he doesn't sound like he's causing any issue in the back right now. I think he's subdued. Other than that, yeah, we want law enforcement as soon as we get on the ground and park.
Horizon at 2059, Roger. You can contact that point on approach now on 118.1.
160. Point of approach is 2059, 1,600, rather 16,500 for 10,000. Information Quebec.
President 2059, Portland approach, Portland number 2990, expect ILS runway 28 left approach, descend and maintain 8,000.
Okay, down to 8,000 and ILS 3 left, thanks.
Horizon 2059, turn right heading 100. When you have a moment, what is your gate that you're parking at? And do you need local law enforcement to show up?
Yes, we need law enforcement 100, and we don't know the gate yet.
Horizon 2059, Roger. When you find out, let me know, please.
Yes, we'll do.
Horizon 2059, turn left heading 010.
Left heading 010, Horizon 2059.
Horizon 2059, let's be a vector to final approach course.
Vector to final approach course, Horizon 2059.
Horizon 2059, what is the threat level?
The threat is now in the back of the airplane, so we're reduced on the threat level. We're going to check in with the flight attendant to make sure everything is running smoothly, but it seems like he settled down as soon as he, after one moment of going a little bit overboard, we put him back, so.
President 2059, Roger, just so we can report this, what was the highest level that occurred?
It escalated to a 4 for his 209, but he's out of the cockpit now.
Roger, copy all, Horizon 2059, descend to maintain 6,000.
6,000 now, she's in there.
Horizon 2059, when you get the gate number, we'll coordinate that as well, thank you.
We're at spot 9 now.
Is that Bravo 9 or Charlie 9?
Charlie. I guess, yeah, Charlie 9. Oh, no, excuse me, Bravo 9.
Horizon 2059, turn left heading 340, descend to maintain 5,000.
340 down 5,000, she's in there.
Horizon 2059, contact approach 126.9er.
269. Tower 2059, we're out for runway 28 left.
Horizon 2059, Portland, tower check departing departure hold 737, wind 3007, runway 28 left, clear away.
Clear land approach 209, and I got some information to pass along when you're ready.
Horizon 2059, go ahead.
Yeah, we've got the occupant. He's handcuffed and he's in an aft back jump seat when law enforcement arrives. And right now he's staying calm.
Horizon 2059, about to think you'll pass along.